alopecia, hair falling out, with a lot of black women who wear weave and that kind of thing, and perming and relaxing their hair. Do you know, are you asking for a solution? Yeah, is there a cure for that?
We have a compound here they call Batana.
Batana, the oil.
In the hair food.
It makes your hair grow.
There's a lot of women over there.
You
know what I mean?
Because it goes into the skull and begins to move the mucus out.
For many of you, baldness is a problem that takes away your youthful look and makes you appear older. And even if you are not bald yet, many of you feel like your hair is thinner, lifeless, or like it's lost its shine. Even worse, some of your skin is showing signs of dullness, dryness, or early aging. And to control that, what are you all turning to? The beauty products. Because that industry wants you to think the answer lies in expensive creams and serums. But what if the solution is something simpler, purer, and rooted in nature? Meet Batana Oil, a miraculous natural remedy harvested from the rainforests of Honduras, celebrated for its ability to stimulate rapid hair growth and bring tired skin back to life. Recommended by Dr. Sebi and considered liquid gold, this oil has quietly been transforming lives for generations. So, what makes Batana Oil a serious rival to the billion-dollar beauty giants? Stick around as we uncover its origins and learn about the extraordinary benefits you've been searching for. The origins of Batana Oil is made from the nuts of the American oil palm, a tree that grows in the tropical jungles of Central and South America. For generations, the Miskito people of Honduras, known as the people of the beautiful hair, have been using this golden secret potion to keep their locks healthy, shiny, and strong. And trust me, they've got some of the most amazing hair you'll ever see. The way they make this oil is just as fascinating as the oil itself. Batana oil comes from these nuts that grow on a palm tree called Elias oleifera, which you'll find in places like Central and South America. When the nuts are fully ripe, they're picked and cracked open to get to the kernels inside. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Those kernels are roasted, kind of like how coffee beans are roasted. This helps release the oil and gives it that unique smoky scent. After they're roasted, the kernels are crushed or pressed to get the oil out, either by hand or using a machine. But the Miskito people hand process the nuts, cracking them open with care to extract the creamy, rich goodness inside. Some people also cold press it, which keeps more of the good stuff inside, while others might heat it a bit to make it easier to extract. Once the oil is out, it's filtered to get rid of any leftover bits, and sometimes they refine it a little more to clean it up. The result is this rich, nourishing oil full of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins. They've been doing it this way for ages, passing the method down like a family secret. And unlike modern factories with their harsh chemicals, this traditional process keeps the oil pure and full of its natural magic. It's not just about making an oil, it's about preserving a piece of their culture. Now let's talk about what this oil can do for your hair. It's like giving your hair a drink after it's been wandering in a desert. Packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, Batana oil dives deep into your hair strands, restoring moisture and fixing the damage. Think of it like watering a dried-out plant. It springs back to life. If you're battling hair loss or thinning, this oil might be your new best friend. It nourishes your scalp and encourages new growth, making it no surprise the Miskito are known for their thick, vibrant hair. And not only your hair, you can also apply it to your skin, because it locks in moisture like nothing else, making it perfect for dry or damaged skin. The Miskito use it to protect against harsh weather, and it keeps their skin smooth and glowing. Plus, its antioxidants help fight those pesky free radicals that speed up aging. Science backs it up too. Batana oil contains tocopherols, which is basically a form of vitamin E that helps your skin heal and stay protected. And here's something really cool. Batana oil is super sustainable. The American oil palm grows naturally in tropical forests, thriving where other plants might struggle. The Miskito people use every part of the nut, so nothing goes to waste, much like coconuts. It's eco-friendly, unlike some other oils that harm the environment, but honestly, even though more people are starting to catch on to this wonder oil, it's still kind of a hidden gem to the global people. It's not mass-produced because the traditional process takes time and effort, but those who try it swear by it. In just a month, people have seen their hair transform, smoother, shinier, and healthier. And if your hair's been through the ringer with dyes or straighteners, Batana oil can help undo the damage. Hair growth and restoration. Hair loss is one of those things a lot of us worry about. It sneaks up on you, and before you know it, you're stressing over every strand left on your pillow and comb. Whether it's because of stress, aging, or even the stuff we put in our hair, it's a real struggle. But Batana oil steps into the spotlight with a solution.
They call it Batana, la flor de Batana, the flower of Batana. This will make your hair grow, and it will give it luster. It is just the best, magnificent.
Let me tell you how. Batana oil is packed with something called essential fatty acids. These are basically like a power smoothie for your hair follicles, the tiny little factories in your scalp where hair grows. When those follicles don't get the fuel they need, your hair can thin out, fall, or grow back weak. That's where Batana oil works its magic. It's loaded with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help feed those follicles and keep them strong. Plus, these fatty acids calm inflammation in your scalp, which makes it a much friendlier place for hair to grow. Plus, there are antioxidants. They're like the bodyguards of your scalp, protecting it from all the nasty stuff out there. Pollution, UV rays, and those chemical-filled shampoos we've all been guilty of using. Think of your scalp as a garden. If the soil is bad, nothing's going to grow, right? Antioxidants in Batana oil help clean up the damage and create a healthier environment for your hair. Once your scalp gets the care it needs, reversing hair loss and sprouting new growth becomes a whole lot easier. And what's wild is how fast people see results. Regular users say their hair starts looking shinier and thicker in just a few weeks. Why? Because Batana oil is a hydration hero. It seeps into each strand, making it smooth and less likely to break. Dry, frizzy hair? That's just your hair crying out for moisture. Batana oil fixes that, leaving your hair glossy and healthy looking. And if your hair's been through the ringer, think heat styling, bleaching, or just life in general, Batana oil is like a repair kit. It doesn't just coat your hair, it gets inside the shaft and strengthens it from the core. Imagine patching up cracks in a wall so it doesn't fall apart. That's what it does for your hair. Over time, it can even make your hair feel thicker and stronger. At the end of the day, our hair isn't just hair. It's a part of who we are, our little everyday crown. So, why not treat it to something pure and powerful like Batana oil? Skin healing properties. If hair is not enough, many of us suffer from almost the same problem with skin. Particularly stretch marks and scars, those little lines and marks most of us get at some point. They pop up when you grow too fast, gain or lose weight quickly, or after a scrape or cut. Some people wear them like badges of honor, but others want to make them less noticeable. But for a moment, think of your skin like a wall. Stretch marks are like cracks that show up when the wall gets stretched too hard, too fast, like snapping a rubber band. Scars? They're the patches the wall uses to fix itself after damage. And the oils packed with vitamins and good fats are like helpers, giving your skin the tools it needs to fill in those cracks and smooth out those patches. For example, Batana oil, sometimes called liquid gold, is full of vitamin A and fatty acids that encourage your skin to renew itself. Over time, scars and stretch marks start to fade, thanks to these nutrients. Also, scars actually change as time goes by. When you're younger, your skin heals as if you are a superhero. Scars heal faster because young skin cells are speedy repair workers. As you get older, those cells slow down, which is why older scars can be harder to deal with. But using these healing oils gives those slower cells a little boost, helping them get back to work. However, stretch marks are a bit different. They show up when your skin grows faster than it can handle, like during puberty, pregnancy, or weight changes. At first, they might look red or purple, but they eventually fade to white or silver. Oils help in these cases because they keep your skin hydrated and stretchy, making it less likely to tear. Cocoa butter and shea butter are big stars in this department because they keep your skin super moisturized and soft. But it doesn't stop there. Batana oil can also help your skin bear with harsh weather and pollution. On the other hand, if you keep using the wrong soap every day, it can leave your skin dry, irritated, or rough. Nutrient-rich oils step in like a calming balm, soothing irritation and helping your skin rebuild its defenses. Take vitamin E, for example. It helps fade scars and defends your skin against harmful stuff. And here's a surprising fact. 80% of people will get stretch marks at some point. That's almost everyone, including you and me. And scars? They can take up to 2 years to fully form. Even when your injury looks healed, your skin is still working behind the scenes to finish the job. Studies show that regular use of this oil can make your skin more elastic and even help with stretch marks, especially during pregnancy. The trick is to start early. The sooner you treat scars and stretch marks, the better your results. Fresh marks are more responsive because your skin cells are still in repair mode. But don't worry if they've been around for a while. Batana oil can still work its magic. Just be patient, because natural remedies take at least a couple of weeks. Comparison with commercial beauty products. Generally, what most people do worldwide to cover up their aging, scars, and stretch marks is use tons of beauty products every day. It looks cool apparently, if they are branded and applied to the skin properly, but the chemicals are harmful to the skin in the long run. But you cannot guess those harmful effects by checking the product's description. If you've ever looked at a beauty aisle, it's jam-packed with products claiming to give you flawless skin and luscious hair. The truth is that Batana oil is just pure, golden brown magic without any of those scary ingredients. What makes Batana oil so special is its simplicity. Unlike those products with ingredient lists you need a dictionary to understand, this is just oil. No chemicals, no preservatives, no fake fragrances. Think about this. Most people use around 12 personal care items daily, exposing themselves to over 168 chemicals. That's a lot of junk. Some of these chemicals, like parabens and phthalates, are linked to health issues like hormone problems and allergies. Batana oil? None of that nonsense. Just a clean, safe alternative. And let me tell you, the results are insane. People rave about how it transforms their hair and skin. Split ends? Fixed. Frizz? Gone. Years of damage from dyes and harsh shampoos? Reversed. The antioxidants in it fight off skin aging, while the fatty acids deeply nourish and moisturize. Here's the best part. It works better than a lot of the big-name beauty products out there. You know those hair serums that make your hair shiny for a day, but then leave it feeling heavy and gross? Batana oil doesn't play that game. It delivers long-term benefits without the build-up. People with seriously damaged hair have seen a difference after just a few uses. And if you're worried about skin reactions, don't be. Because 1 in 3 women has had a bad reaction to a beauty product at some point. That's usually because of allergens or harsh chemicals. But Batana oil is so gentle that even people with conditions like eczema or psoriasis can use it. No more irritation, no more flare-ups, just smooth, happy skin. Oh, and let's not forget the planet. The beauty industry creates a staggering amount of waste, like 120 billion units of packaging every year. Batana oil often comes with minimal packaging and is sustainably sourced, so it's better for the environment. Plus, when you buy it, you're supporting indigenous communities who've been keeping this tradition alive for centuries. You see, Batana oil is a win-win for everything, for both your health and Mother Nature. Industry resistance and adoption. The only people who would hate Batana oil are the CEOs and executives of the beauty industry. Basically, despite how awesome Batana oil is, it's still not as well known around the world as other oils like coconut or olive oil. And the reason is the beauty industry. Because there are already so many well-known beauty products out there, they just don't let you know anything about it. In a lot of countries, it's still under the radar, so people don't realize how amazing it can be. And let's be real, with so many other trusted oils out there like argan, jojoba, and coconut oil, it's hard for a new oil like Batana to stand out. These oils have been around for a long time, and you can find them everywhere, so it's tough for something new to compete. Another hurdle for Batana oil is that giant beauty brands have tons of cash to spend on ads, influencer promotions, and flashy commercials to get us to buy their products. So, when you're already loyal to your favorite brands, it's hard to be tempted to try something you've never heard of before, especially when you're happy with your current beauty routine. But here's the good news. Batana oil is slowly starting to make a name for itself. More and more people are realizing how effective it is, especially since a lot of folks are looking for more natural beauty solutions these days. People are starting to turn to Batana oil because it's not packed with chemicals like traditional beauty products. Instead, it's loaded with healthy nutrients that nourish your hair and skin without causing any damage. Just a pro tip here. If you're picking Batana oil, go for the cold-pressed version. It's lighter in color, almost ivory, while the roasted stuff is darker brown. cold pressed is the way to go because it keeps all the good nutrients intact, unlike roasted oil, which loses some of that in the heating process. Plus, it's better for sensitive scalps since it's all natural, with no added chemicals or unnecessary stuff. Batana oil is packed with healthy fats and vitamins, making it perfect for giving your hair some TLC. Just warm it up in your hands and apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and wash it out. If you want a deeper treatment, you can leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. After just one use, your hair will feel softer, and over time, it will get shinier and healthier. Plus, it also helps nourish your scalp, which is great for encouraging hair growth. If you need to apply it on your skin, you can use it the same way. It soaks in fast, leaving your skin hydrated and smooth without being greasy. You don't need much, just a little goes a long way. Most people use it after showers, and they say their skin stays soft all day. As people learn more about the benefits of natural oils and products that are good for the planet, Batana oil is likely to become more mainstream. It could end up giving the big beauty brands a run for their money, especially as more people realize the value of choosing natural, effective, and eco-friendly products. It might not be a household name yet, but Batana oil's future in the beauty world looks pretty bright. It's undeniable that Batana oil could be the game changer your hair and skin have been waiting for, offering a natural solution that beats big brand products. So, have you tried Batana oil? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful insights into natural beauty remedies. See you soon.